Hi, I am Dev. We're gonna learn everything about orders. Almost everything is the same. There are a couple of new tools or features is added for specifically orders. As you can see, this pretty everything is similar to quotes, leads. There are more information about the payments, more information about the shipping date, and more toolbar for contract and payment. So you can send a contract with one button and they can view the agreement and sign it. For instance, info C, right? And put the initials. And there will be terms and condition. It's customizable in settings section. And sign this one too. And that's it. I've seen on DocuSign they can review the agreement section first, and they can agree on terms and conditions separately. It's really helpful when you are disputing the transaction. They can pay by clicking this button, or once they sign a contract, they will get a separate email about we got the agreement, and they can see the agreement on PDF, sign it agreement, and they can see terms and conditions, and also shows next step to pay the reservation fee. Just click pay button and it will open differently. For instance, they can pay via PayPal. It shows PayPal, Zelle, Cash App, Venmo. It's based on how you want to get paid, and they can pay with QR code. There will be a QR code and account name and the username. They can copy it by clicking. And one way is QR code, second one is username. It's really helpful for old clients. Usually they struggle to copy and paste and search. Easiest way is Pay Now button. Pay Now button is, if it's on web browser, it opens your payment page, and they can pay immediately via PayPal or Cash App, other methods. If it's on mobile, it opens payment app immediately, so they don't have to search something. They can pay immediately, and even you don't have to send payment information separately. Once you got a contract, they can sign a contract any time of the day, even in the midnight, and they can pay it in the morning. You got a signed contract and payment. How cool is that? And payment section, once you got a payment, you can create a payment based on the type, Zelle, charge or refund, chargeback, and customer to broker, you can put the amount, you can even put the chargeback in percent, and you can even put the deposit. They can see the discount if they're getting, and they're happy by seeing it. You're gonna have a different tutorial, in-depth tutorial for toolbar and also dispatching, assigning a carrier, posting and deleting about it. And as for the submenus, you can see once a contract is signed, it moves to booked page. Once you post order, it moves to posted, not sign it, dispatch it, complete it. Once you're on hold, you can manually put on hold, and here on hold or duplicate, or you can back the order to the quote, and you can see history here whenever you change the information. This activity shows only where moved to where, and here, and also you can team support. This order will be shown on your table only, and if you add a different person, it will be shown on that person's table as well. So you can collaborate, and you both can work on one order. This feature will be added in near future. And also, if you want to change the customer, you can change anywhere in leads, quotes, order. You just edit customer and edit this button, and you can change the name, last name, email, or phone number, and it will be updated in everywhere, leads, quotes, order. So these are the section, the similar, and yeah, buyer number, adding the simple prices, and you can create an order here by putting all the information and location type, CM notes, and you can create a customer or select a customer, and also there's filters. There is more filter section based on the pickup, delivery, dispatch date, and you can find whatever you want. Yeah, that's pretty everything for orders, and see you in the next video.